Do you know how to implement lean digital transformation successfully in your organization? In this video, we have covered key enablers and benefits of digital lean and how to avoid the challenges of digital lean. Hey folks, welcome back to Learn Transformation, and if you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. What is lean? With roots in Japanese automobile manufacturing, lean represents a set of principles to minimize waste and enabling more productive time. The end objective of lean is to identify and eliminate that part of the process that doesn't add any value. Although lean originated in manufacturing, its core tenets are found across many kinds of enterprises and applied in diverse ways. Lean enables quicker responses to changing customer demands and results in faster and more robust production, increased quality, and lower cost. This is the new era of lean transformation. The application of lean principles within manufacturing context extends back several decades, even if the essential idea of reducing waste and driving efficiencies existed long before the term lean was coined. In more recent years, Industry 4.0 digital and physical technologies have made possible new accomplishments of speed, flexibility, and automation that have forever altered what production looks like. While lean principles have long been used in manufacturing to drive efficiency and reduce waste, if we add digital technologies to lean, they can take an enterprise to a whole new frontier. Let's have a look on key enablers of digital lean. The first one is getting the data, IT and OT collaboration. Prior to Industry 4.0, information technology and operational technology were mostly two distinct areas. But to unbolt its full potential, digital lean needs an integration of IT and OT, which brings plant and operations data to plant and business users. Second one is standardized processes, process and data management. Plant processes provide data which is the input for digital lean, but if processes are not carried out with standardization, then the accurate and continuous data couldn't be forthcoming. So key in this regard is the role of plant leadership in defining the processes to ultimately provide more accurate data. And the third one is bringing the process to life. All the relevant technological platforms should be leveraged to truly harness the benefits of digital lean, and when you choose a technology platform, then organizations should consider some factors like platform flexibility, integration with other systems, data administration, and so on. So these are three key enablers of digital lean. Let's see the benefits of digital lean. A manufacturer that relentlessly focuses on eliminating waste and continuously improving the manufacturing process, if armed with only traditional tools such as Kaizen, can make great progress initially, but its productivity increase typically shrink over time. The benefit of digital lean is intense management practices in technology deployment, drive ROI, and enhance performance measures. With digital lean, the manufacturer can build on its lean foundation and leverage new technologies such as machine learning, predictive maintenance to solve previously unsolvable business problems and unlock previously unreachable productivity frontiers. Let's see how to avoid the challenges of digital lean. The first, choose the right starting point. Before launching a digital lean effort, it is important to identify the right starting point. Often companies choose a well-understood plant on which they have to focus. However, within that plant, they also need to evaluate the people, process, and technology readiness to choose the exact starting point. Second, focus on value first and technology second. Poorly targeted technology projects and process improvements can lead to program fatigue, which can be avoided by conducting a detailed assessment. Third, don't just assume stakeholder buy-in, secure it. Few people like change. Overcoming the mindset of this is how we have always done it is challenging. Engaging the workforce early and often can be critical for any digital lean initiative. So the best way to do this could be to develop user personas for each stakeholder that illustrate how the new tool can add value to their daily job. And the last one is avoid near-term focus. In dynamic business environments, spending time, energy, and money to invest in strategic projects that may not deliver immediate value may be challenging. So, you have to avoid near term focus. So, for a way to get started your lean digital transformation, consider the following specific characteristics and attributes when selecting a target to pilot for digital lean capabilities. First, compelling operational issues. Second, people, process, and technology readiness. And third, measurable impact. Scaling fast can generate the business case value. Most digital lean efforts meet the business case while scaling the solution, not during the initial pilot. Thanks for watching right till the end. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding Lean, Digital, Six Sigma, Supply Chain and Business Transformation. You can also visit our website www.learntransformation.com, and also you can catch us on other social media handles. Till then, take care and have a good one.